Hello, good morning. I'm Thorsten Meywald, the Product Manager for Lenses at ARRI. And now we don't have motors, we don't have electronics, we have something completely different. It's just glass, but a new piece of glass. It's anamorphics, and we have the cameras, the 3 4x3 cameras. It's the Studio, it's the Plus 4x3, and it's also the M camera. And of course, we need to complete that also with Master Anamorphic lenses. That's the name of the new lenses. It's a complete set from 35mm up to 135mm, and we are doing this in cooperation with ZEISS, the usual thing. And what we have done also with the Ultra Primes and the Master Primes, and before that with the standards and the high speeds. And what are the key benefits from the new Master Anamorphics? 7 lenses, all they have T1.9, and the first time these anamorphics are completely designed new from the scratch for digital cameras. Of course they work also with analog cameras, but they are optimized for the Alexa sensors and give you the best overall image quality with our Alexa cameras. And with this kind of lenses, we put some new efforts in. These lenses, they have virtually no pre-sync like the Master Primes, but these are anamorphic lenses. They have not the so-called fat face effect, which is called anamorphic mumps, and which was very challenging for us. We have done a completely new focusing mechanism. Why that? An anamorphic lens is in fact 2 lenses in one barrel. If you have, for example, a 50mm lens, it's 50mm vertically, and horizontally it's 25mm. Normally, if you compare these 2 lenses, separate lenses, you have a different travel of focus, and it's very challenging to combine this in one lens barrel. And we put this in one lens barrel and found a solution. It's the technology of a zoom lens. It's floating elements. Well, in optics we are saying, it's everything what is good and, sometimes also expensive. What else? Well, with anamorphics, it's very important that you have the right anamorphic look. And the outer focus highlights, they are quite important. And with spherical lenses, you get round-shaped outer focus highlights. With anamorphics, you get oval outer focus highlights. And these ovals, they should be perfect. We don't like to see any edges in these ovals, and that was the reason for us to design a new aperture with 15 aperture plates. These lenses, they carry also the lens data system. Also for future lenses, the LDS system will be a standard for all future lenses, so you can use this information about aperture and focus position for VFX work. Well, this is the complete range of the Master Anamorphics. 7 lenses, 35, 40, 50, 60, 75, 100 and 135. All they have T1.9. They're quite compact. Most of the lenses, they have a front diameter of only 95mm. The weight is below 3 kilograms. Well, at this IBC, we release all the relevant information, the technical informations. We are showing at our booth the 50mm prototype, the 35mm mock-up, and at NAB 2013 we are starting delivery of 3 lenses, the 35, 50 and also the 75, and the rest of the lenses, they will come later that year. Price around 30,000 euro for each of the lenses. I think it's quite a good price for an anamorphic lens. And we are very, very excited, and we got quite a good feedback from DPs worldwide, and they are so excited to use the lenses, and we have a long list of people waiting saying, we want to test that, we want to shoot with these lenses. And this year with the anamorphics, it's not only a new lens series what we are introducing, it's also, which is also very important for us, the 75th anniversary of ARRI and ZEISS. We have done so many exciting things in the last decades, and I think it's also, a landmark in optics that we have created these anamorphic lenses for this year, which is also the same time the 95th anniversary of ARRI. Thank you very much, and I'm giving you over to, I think, Philip Kircher.